Hi guys, welcome to Final Cut Bits. I'm Colin. This is a very simple video and I want to show you how to render a selection as a transition, okay? So I've got a timeline here and I have some transitions opened. If you want to open transitions, you go to this little icon to the right of the timeline. Alright, and for this video I've got all these transitions. I'm going to select one. I'm going to select zoom shake, okay? And the problem is, you're asking, why do you need to render it? Well, when you go to play it on the fly, it ends up a bit jerky. It's not smooth. So really, you're not able to get a full impression of if it's going to be right for your video. It's not very smooth. So what I do is click transition and then press Control R and look on the top render bar here. This is rendering. It doesn't take long, that's as long as it takes. So now you go to play it, it's smooth as, you know, that is smooth. So now you can decide if you're happy with that or not. Because if it's jerky, it's really hard to decide if it's a right fit for the cut, you know. So I'm just going to undo the render, okay, or undo the transition. I'll do it again, I'll do a different one, say. And if you want to do this from the menu bar without the shortcuts, you go to modify render selection, and as you see the shortcut next to it is Control R. So render selection, but I always prefer to remember, and when you do it regularly every day, you just remember it, the shortcuts, it makes it so much easier. So you just press, you know, Control R, and you see it renders it. And same goes for a larger selection. If you want to select a larger selection and render to set a video, so you want to render this full video clip, you can do the same for that. It will take longer, or even more so, you could just select everything and render everything. But I'm just talking about the transitions. To render it, I advise, rather than just going off the, you know, when you first put it in, because it's not smooth. Some, you know, depending on your computer, some transitions are really smooth, but a lot of them will be a bit jerky. So definitely render it, and it's quick, it's simple, it's easy, and you can see, you know, the full transition straight away. So I hope that's helpful to you, and if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe, ask any questions in the comments if you like, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.